Hello guys, today I have brought a new application for you which name is Zedge, which is easily available at Play Store. So now we will open the Zedge app. This will take a bit of time. Now you can see in categories there is wallpaper and there are full HD wallpapers are there. Easily you can download or you can set up a desktop without downloading. So now it has been updated. So now you can see the option of a video wallpaper, ringtones, and there are categories as well, and there are notification as well. Here is notifications.